Number 20, if ABCD is a parallelogram. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm always going to write my picture. So there's A, here's B, C, D. Doesn't really matter how you write it because it doesn't tell us. But it does say, hey, A is 7x, all right, and B is 3x minus 20. Well, here's what I know. There's a couple of things we know. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Don't care about that. But opposite angles are equal. So if this is 7x, over here is 7x, and up here is 3x minus 20. Now, I could add up all four of those angles and say, hey, those add up to what it adds up to of a 360. But what we want more so is you should know if it's not an opposite angle, okay, if they're consecutive angles there and there, they're on the same side of a transversal technically of parallel lines, it means they add up to 180. And that's going to save us a little bit of time. Notice we would have done it twice and made 360, just doubled everything. So it makes much more sense to say, hey, 7x plus the 3x minus 20 adds up to 180. So 10x, take away 20, adds up to 180. Move your 20 over to be with the other number. 10x is equal to 200. Divide by 10, we now have x is 20 degrees. What is the measurement of C? Now, C we know is the same as 7x, right? So if he's 7x, 7 times 20 makes him 140. So we know the answer to the problem is 140 degrees. It wouldn't matter how you put A, B, and C. The key is C. I asked for C because I knew C was going to be across from A, and I knew A was 7x, so I knew he was 7x.